Kafka has the core components, zookeeper, zookeeper, server or broker, server or broker, and topic. Next one, provider and consumer. So in Kafka, these are the main components: producer or provider. Let's say producer. So nowadays we have a lot of integrations happening with Java with other technologies. Like if you search Kafka, we have openings openings on Kafka developer. So lot of projects are implementing with like Java integration with Kafka. Kafka. So who are eligible for Kafka developers? We'll discuss. Kafka developer. To whom we call Kafka developer, we'll discuss. Okay. So here lot of projects are implementing with Java integration with Kafka, Python integration with Kafka, machine learning integration with Kafka, Hadoop integration with Kafka, Spark with Kafka. So lot of integrations are happening with Kafka. Kafka has huge demand in the market. Spring Boot with Kafka. So Kafka is not specific to only Hadoop. So if you are a Python developer, then it will help for you. If you are a Java developer, it will help you. If you are a Hadoop developer, it will help you a lot. If you are a machine learning developer, it will help you a lot. So lot of projects are implementing with Kafka integrations. Okay, so mainly Kafka has these five core components. In this, first, zookeeper. What is the role of zookeeper? So zookeeper provides communication, or it creates communication between different components in Kafka. It creates zookeeper creates coordination coordination between different components. Yep. So for this one, we'll implement the producer. One of our student question: how communication happen between different technologies? So middle we are using. I said middle we are using Kafka. So Java writes application by using Java technology, then writes messages into Kafka. Assume this message is reading by .NET application. So .NET using Kafka API and reads messages from Kafka. So our .NET application is now nowhere depend upon Java application. Java application nowhere depend upon .NET application. Both these technologies using Kafka API. Both these technologies using Kafka API. Okay. So Java using Kafka API and writing message. .NET using Kafka API reading message, and SAP using Kafka API reading message, or SAP using Kafka API writing messages into Kafka, Java using Kafka API reading that messages. So there is no dependency between one technology to other technology. Here every technology using what? Kafka API. Okay. So these are the different components presented in Kafka. Let's first discuss about Kafka advantages and Kafka implementation, then we'll see. So you can use REST also, Karthik. So here, Zookeeper creates coordination between different different components in Kafka. Example, before writing messages, before writing messages into Kafka, producer communicates with the Zookeeper and finds the topic information. So before writing messages into Kafka, producer communicates with the Zookeeper and finds the server or broker information and finds the topic information and writes the messages into topic. And consumer, before reading messages from Kafka, consumer communicates with the Zookeeper and finds the information of server and topic, starts reading messages from topic. Before writing messages in, before creating messages in server, so first we update topic information into Zookeeper. So everything coordination between different components in our Kafka, we use Zookeeper. Zookeeper plays very important role in Kafka. Okay. Next one, server or broker. Kafka has Kafka has only one daemon, only one daemon, only one daemon is called server or broker, server or broker, which always runs in background, which always runs in background, runs in background. It stores messages, it stores messages. Yep. So I said Zookeeper provides coordination between different components in Kafka. Once again, I'll explain once we'll discuss all these components. So let's take topic. Topic. Topic holds messages. Topic holds messages. So by default, by default, it holds messages. It holds by default. It holds messages in 7 days. 7 days, but it is configurable. But it is configurable. I will show you how to configure if you want less days, less than 7 days, or if you want to maintain messages more than 7 days, then I will show you how to configure this time. Okay. And topic is divided into multiple partitions. Topic is divided into multiple partitions. Divided into multiple partitions. Topic is divided into multiple partitions. Both I said it is for both streaming and messaging. It holds both messages. No, no. In so here in topic we store message. Example, let's take big data topic. Big data topic. Assume here we created big data topic. We created big data topic. So topic name is big data topic. Big data topic. In this big data topic, Java writing messages and SAP, Ruby, .NET, some other applications reading message from this big data topic. So this big data topic again we divided into multiple partitions. Multiple partition. Partition means yes, piece of data. Yep, it's like a block in Hadoop. So we divide large messages into small pieces. So advantage of partitioning is parallel processing. Advantage of advantage of uh, partition is partition is we can achieve we can achieve parallel processing. We can achieve parallel processing. Yep. First message I said topic holds messages. Topic is a concept. It holds messages. Each partition each partition each partition has unique offset numbers. Unique offset numbers. Example, let's see, assume this is one partition. So this partition contain messages, right? These partitions contain messages. So every partition contain some unique values. 1, 2, like this, unique values. So what is this unique value purpose? We'll see in consumer discussion. No. So first of all, we write the messages only in topic. So topic internally divides partitions. So as a developer, we are never write messages into partitions. So topic is internally divided into partitions, separate memory locations. Mm, so partition size we can specify. Yep. So next one, producer. Producer. So writes messages. Producer writes messages into Kafka topic. Producer writes messages into Kafka topic. Topic or topics. And consumer consumes messages. Consumer consumes or reads messages from Kafka topic. Kafka topic. Consumer consumes or reads messages from Kafka topic.